Good night. This is my blog. The name of my story is The Real Princess. Once there was a prince who was looking for a princess, but she must be a real princess. The prince went right around the world, and although he found several once upon a time the beautiful princesses, there was always something not quite right about them. In the end, he came home very disappointed. One night, there was the most terrible storm. It thundered, it lightened, and the rain poured down in sheets. The king and queen and prince sat round the fire toasting crumpets. Suddenly there was a ringing of the bell at the palace gates. Putting on his moccasin, the king went to see who could be outside on such a dreadful night. When he opened the gates, a princess was standing there. But what a saint she was! Water streamed off the end of her long hair, ran down her clothes and into her shoes. Thank you.